Okay, so today we got this mini sprint car frame. It's definitely the biggest piece that I've put in my oven to date. Pretty large for a coder like myself, just doing work out of my garage. So I actually had this one blasted at an industrial blast place close by. It was previously powder coated, and it looked like it was powdered over a different color already. So they had to blast off 3 layers, which would have taken me forever with my little blast pot. So it just makes more sense to have stuff like this done for me. Anyways, we're going fluorescent red from Tiger Dry Lac, and it is a semi-transparent, which means you got to spray it over like a white base to get the full effect of the color. Here's the red, just in the powder form in the bag. You can tell it's gonna be pretty bright. We're going over snow cone white. We're actually gonna preheat this one in the oven for about 20-30 minutes. There's just a lot of tight areas where those Zeus fittings are. If you ever get anything that has the Zeus fittings, I recommend drilling them out. They're just held on by rivets. If you don't know what a Zeus fitting is, you can look them up. They are kind of hard to explain, but they take a special screw that goes in and it fastens on the panels. So they're kind of quick on, quick off if you need to work on it or get somebody out of the car in a hurry. But anyways, we're gonna tag team this one since there's a lot of tight spots after we preheat it. So I'll let y'all follow along and we're gonna video that as we do it, so. There it is, all finished. Got it all loaded up, ready to be delivered in the morning. Turned out pretty sweet.